You don't know me, don't be quiet.
I am so grateful to have attracted you into my life and all these beautiful people who showed up on a freaking Saturday for ourselves. God bless you. I needed this.
Make breakfast as your character. Put your makeup on as your character. Get dressed as your character. How do they do that? What music does that character listen to?
The biggest thing that I took away from hearing you talk and give us pointers and the other people in the class is the pauses and really just taking up the space. That's when I felt the character the most.
There's nothing better than you see the proof here. When you're in it, you don't get it as much. Be like, no, that's what it looks like to not rush yourself.
So I had so many takeaways. Thank you again for this class. Again, thank you for that 2025. I really appreciate it. Learn to have fun with it. If you flub a word, so what? Use that in your character. If you stumble coming in, that's fine. Use that, and that may be the best take.
I've been doing some other techniques, and I don't think they're as effective as some of the things that you presented today.
Test it. You know what I mean? It's all play. It's all an experiment.
I had a couple of takeaways. Actually, I had several takeaways. Own it in your heart, you can't own it in your head, and that is so true. And then about us, just having fun and quit making it difficult.
I felt like you were talking directly to me. Success leaves clues. Time out for watching bad TV, bad actors. We really need to lean into who's doing it great.
What stood out to me today was knowing your flavor as an actor. That really stood out to me. And practicing the art of being distinct.
Was it drama, procedural? It was really cool to be able to do that experience and put on my casting director hat. And again, just to really see people. So it was really exciting to just, again, be in this collective and see you all.
Live in your authenticity.
Mm-hmm.
When you do, you can walk into that room saying, I am that gift. You are welcome for me. No one or nothing will prevent me from showing up. Living in your authenticity. I needed to hear that because it's so easy to compare ourselves to so many people, which you just don't. We are the one unique expression of ourselves, living in our authenticity. Thank you. I needed this.
Yes, you're so welcome. What a beautiful reminder. I'm sure we all need that many times.
Thank you. Bye.